everyone, welcome back to another Jazz Drummer Q-Tip of the Week. My name is Quincy Davis, and if you've been waiting for another lesson for a while, I'm sorry. I've been busy at school. If you don't know, I teach at the University of North Texas, which I love, but you know, it's the end of the school year, so we get kind of busy and something had to give. So I apologize, but I am back with another awesome lesson for you. If you're new, please make sure you press that like button if you enjoy this lesson, and also, of course, please consider subscribing because I put out a lot of lessons that many drummers have found helpful, and I'm confident you will too. Okay, so jumping right into this lesson, as you can see from the title, this lesson is all about diddles. I'm going to show you 6 diddle exercises that will rock your world, or maybe jazz your world. Maybe that's better. But before we get into the lesson, I want to make sure you know that there's a free PDF of these 6 exercises that you can download using the link down in the description box below. So make sure you do that, okay? It's really important. I think it'll be helpful for you when you're watching this video. So press pause, download the PDF, and then come back and we can play together actually. So why do I think diddle displacement is so important for us to practice? Because one, it's going to help you get free with your application of diddles, right? I hear many drummers who kind of use diddles in a similar way, always off the strong beat of the time, and they're a little bit limited to how they apply diddles, okay? So that's one reason. Another reason is it's going to help you organize your sticking, right? Sometimes we don't think enough about how we're going to stick things, therefore we get kind of tangled up, or we come out, it's a little disorganized. So this is going to help you organize your sticking and get you thinking about your sticking using diddles, okay? Another thing is it's actually going to add speed to your playing. When you use diddles, as opposed to single strokes, you can actually play diddles really fast and really smoothly. So it's, even if you're not playing faster per se, it's going to make you sound like you're playing faster and smoother. But you have to make sure you're really adhering to playing those accents strong and keeping your non-accented notes pretty low. All my students know about that. So and then lastly, it's going to help you feel the inner partials of each beat, right? So one E and a, 2 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a. All of those different partials, it's important to be comfortable with all the different partials. So this is going to help with all of that, okay? So if you're ready, I'm ready. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. I'm Okay, so the first diddle exercise that we're going to do, so there's going to be 2 parts. The first part of this contains 3 exercises. The second part of this contains 3 exercises. The difference is the first part, we're only going to be focusing on snare drum. The second part, we're going to be adding bass drum, okay? So here we go. This is number 1 if you're looking at the PDF. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you bring your accents out. A little faster. And if you notice, like I tried to say at the beginning of that exercise, make sure you bring your accents out. There's a difference between going, sorry. And if I have the snares on, right, compared to the first one sounds loud. The second one sounds strong, but not loud. Okay, there's a difference. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double left. Ah. Ah. You catch it? Let's do it again a little faster now. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double left. Hey, by the way, let me know in the comments below if a workout video with these 6 exercises that you would be able to download from my digital download store, the link is down below. If that interests you, where you could kind of play each exercise 2 or 3 times with me while I'm kind of talking through it, let me know if that interests you, and I'll make a video just for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch hands. A little faster. Okay, here we go. Number 4, paradiddles with the bass drum. Here we go, nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double left, right? Just like before. A little faster. 1, 1 and a 2, ready, and switch. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switches hands. All right, a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switches. One, 2, 3, and double. catch it? You get it? Did you get the hi-hat thing? Let's do the same thing, but a little faster now. 1, 2, 1, 2, and Get it? Okay. And you can take these as fast as you need. Remember, it's not about speed. It's about playing clean, clear, with precision, with strong, with power, and with some authority. But we don't want to be loud and obnoxious. We don't want to be that drummer. Well, maybe you do, but I don't. So, you know. Instead of playing the accents here, you can play them here. All right? You can do that. All right? Super easy way of doing it. You can also play, you can just move the accents around freely, right? Right, so on and so forth. So another thing that you can do is just combine all the different displacement exercises that are on this PDF. So you might play a paradiddle, then you might play a double paradiddle. You might displace it without the bass drum. You might displace it with the bass drum. All right. So I'm just going to demonstrate how I work on them in a soloistic manner. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that is the lesson. That's something that you can practice. I practice all the time in different ways, and you can come up with a lot of cool different permutations of this exercise. But I think it'll help you kind of just get free with how you practice your diddles, okay? So until the next time, make sure you practice your diddles, practice them hard, but practice them smart, okay? Peace out. Take care. Bye-bye.